Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZ17AS1 intake scoop. This intake scoop fits the 2009 through 2020 Polaris 170. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of beginner. Tools needed for this job are a 3/8 ratchet, 8mm through 12mm sockets, drill bits for nutsert and a hand drill, a 4mm Allen wrench, an optional rib nutsert tool, and don't forget your safety glasses. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the 4 Phillips head screws, holding the factory intake in place. Then, set in position, and line up the DRT intake scoop over the factory mounting points. Using the factory hardware, tighten down the scoop. Moving to the rear mount on the scoop, mark the bodywork with a pen, using the hole as a guide, and remove the scoop. Now, drill a pilot hole in the middle of the marked area, as this will help you drill the larger hole for the nutsert you have to install. We recommend using a special nutsert tool that can be found at your local hardware store, but if you prefer, we include a kit to install the nutsert without the use of this special tool. We will not cover nutsert installation in this video, although, for help installing nutserts without a special tool, there are multiple instructional videos online. Next, line up the scoop, as you did before, and install the 4 factory hardware screws along with the 1 4mm rear mounting bolt, and tighten down. Moving back to the front of the scoop, insert the grill plate, line up the holes, and install the supplied 6 4mm bolts, and tighten them down. Congrats, that completes your DRT 170 intake scoop install. Now, with the added air intake scoop, it makes your 170 look amazing. Plus, it will better direct airflow into the engine when out on the trails and tracks. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.